So most people solve this question like 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, right? Then 16 divided by 2 and in the parenthesis 4, right? Now 2 times 4 is equal to 8, so 16 divided by 8. So now 16 divided by 8 is equal to 2, right? But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, right? So PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So in this question, we have one parenthesis and here we have one division. So according to PEMDAS, first we have to solve parenthesis, right? So now 16 divided by 2. Now here is multiplication. So multiply. Solve this parenthesis, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Alright. Now here we have one division and here we have one multiplication. And both have equal priority. So we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, right? So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 times 4. Now 8 times 4 is equal to 32. So the correct answer is 32. If you like this solution, please like, share and subscribe Vilakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.